Hello everybody, I am your instructor in this course. I am Dr. It's a fascinating field that develops into the microscope world of cells. Microscope world of cells, tissues, and organs. It's essentially the microscopic anatomy of biological structures, offering deeper understanding of how their structure influences their function. Structure and function, very important to know structure before uh, exploring the function. Here is a summary of what histology is all about. What's studied? Microscopic structure. Histology focus on the minute details of cells, tissues, organs, visibly visible only through a microscope. Microscope is our tool to explore histology. This includes the arrangement of cells and their shapes, sizes, internal components. Imagine a world where you can shrink down to the size of the cell and explore the inner working of the tissue. Histology allows you to do just that, revealing a hidden universe of beauty and complexity. Here are some key aspects of the histology. Microscopic anatomy. Histology focuses on structure too small to be seen with the naked eye, typically ranging from 1 to 500 micrometer in size. This requires the use of powerful microscope, allowing us to see the intricate detail of cells and tissues. Staining techniques. Histologists use various staining techniques to highlight different components of the cell. These stains, cells and tissues, these stains like hematoxylin and iodine, add color and contrast to the tissue, making it easier to identify different structure under the microscope. Cell organization. Histology examine how cells are arranged within a tissue, forming specific pattern and structure. These patterns often reflect the tissue function, such as the tight packing of epithelial cells in the skin for protection. Tissue type. Histology classifies tissue into 4 main categories. Epithelial cells, epithelial tissue, connective tissue, epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. Each type has unique structure and function adapted to its specific role in the body. Medicine. Histology is essential for diagnosing disease, and many disease cause characteristic change in tissue structures. Examining tissue sample under the microscope can reveal the presence of abnormal cells, inflammation, and other signs of disease. Research. We use histology in medicine. Diagnosing diseases can cause changes in cells and tissues, like cancer cells. Cancer cells different under microscope other than the normal cells, and we can reveal the carcinogenicity characteristics of the cell under the microscope. Research. Histology is a powerful tool for understanding how tissue function in health and disease. Researchers use histological techniques to study the effect of drugs, investigate the development of diseases, and explore new therapeutic approaches. Education. We use histology in educations. Histology is a fundamental subject in medical and biological science, providing students with deep understanding of how tissue are organized and how they function. Thank you. Join me in the course. I will be happy to explain these topics